As reclaimed asphalt pavement becomes more commonplace in roadway development, standards are high for rejuvenators. To evaluate the efficiency of a particular recycling agent, multiple factors must be considered. Effective asphalt rejuvenators should restore the properties of aged bitumen, aiding with functional characteristics such as properties, compaction, stiffness, and durability. To best use a rejuvenator, blending charts can be used to determine dosages and wrap content required to meet particular performance metrics. This makes it critical for mix designers to start with clear objectives for functional characteristics before getting started. Mix samples should then undergo performance testing using a variety of parameters that test for aging and endurance, including semicircular bend test, ideal CT, DCT, iFit, and wheel tracking tests.